Now, let's look at this example. This example says that the terminal side of angle theta is on the line 6x minus y equals 0 with x less than 0. Ask us to do first, sketch the least positive angle of theta. Second, find the values of the 6 trigonometric functions of theta. Now let's look at this equation of the line. The equation of the line is 6x minus y equals 0. If both sides add y, negative y, positive y cancel each other, and the right-hand side is 0 plus y, so it has only y left. So let's put right here. And then left-hand side is 6x only. Those two are cancelled. So we put 6x left-hand side on the right. So 6x was on the left. And y plus 0 was on the right. Now it's on the left. So this equation can be changed to y equals 6x. So when x is 0, 6 times 0, you have output is y is 0. So 0, 0, x is 0, 0 is this point. Okay, if you want to mark, that will be 0, 0. Okay, this point is on the line, origin. If x is negative 1, then 6 positive times negative 1, you have negative 6. So when x is negative 1, y is negative 6. So x is negative 1, x is the first coordinate, negative 1 right here, and then you have y is negative 6. So negative 1, negative 6 is this point. Okay. Now we are clear those 2 points and then we connect it. That will be the line. But remember, very importantly here is that x is less than 0. So it didn't say the terminal side is on this side because terminal side is a ray. It's not a line. It has directions. Ray has directions from the starting point origin to somewhere. Here x is less than 0 means what? Means is this part. Okay, this part is not that one. So if you want to mark least positive angle of theta, its initial side is on x all the time. Then you mark it. It should be like that. And this is theta. Okay. So we are clear about the least positive angle theta. Now we want to find the values of 6 trigonometric functions of theta. Before we do that, we need to find out the length from origin to this point, negative 1, negative 6. And the length segment, okay, the segment of this one is x squared plus y squared. Choose their square root. X squared is negative 1, so negative 1 squared plus negative 6 squared. Okay, and then when negative 1 squared is positive 1, negative 6 squared is positive 36, and which is radical 37. So this segment R is radical 37. So you may write here radical 37. Okay, now sine is y over r. Y over r, what is y? Y is negative 6. So then you have a negative 6 over radical 37. You may want to rationalize it. Okay, both numerator and denominator multiplied by radical 37. So upstairs is then negative 6 over radical 37. Downstairs is 37, because radical 37 times radical 37, then you have a 37. Now, for cosine theta, that's negative x. So here is negative 1, negative 1 over radical 37. Remember, r is always positive. Okay? And then similarly, both numerator and denominator multiplied by radical 37. And numerator radical 37 times negative 1, you know, that will be what? Negative radical 37. And the downstairs is just 37. Okay. If you want more details, here will be what? Radical 37, negative 1 times radical 37 is negative radical 37. Downstairs is the same thing. Radical 37 times radical 37. You have a 37 here. Now, what is tangent theta? Tangent theta is y over x. Y is negative 6. X is negative 1. So it's 6. Okay. And cotangent theta is x over y, is the reciprocal of this one. So it was 6 here, then 1 over 6 will be cotangent. Now, secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine, not sine. Okay? So you know, previously was negative 1 over radical 37. You flip it, then it's going to be negative radical 37 over 1, and you do not have to write 1. Okay. Now, cosecant. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Okay. And it was negative 6 over radical 7. You flip it, then you will have a negative radical 37 over 6. Okay, so this one looks hard, but actually it's not that hard. Okay, I'll see you next time.